the JFF and Whitmore, it's not over. Them fire the big coach and Tappa want more money and over. Seriously though, Whitmore, who had another 11 months left on his contract at the time of his firing, is saying he should be paid up all salaries up to November this year, while the JFF is claiming a clause was written into Whitmore's contract that either party could terminate the contract with 2 months' notice. And that is what they acted on, paying Tappa his 2 months' salary. The JFF and their lawyers said they owe Tappa nothing, while Coach Whitmore and his lawyers said the JFF owed the former coach approximately 11 months' pay. So the battle lines are drawn. And obviously, this will come down to the wording of that contract. If the clause provides the protection to fire Tappa with 2 months' notice, JFF good. If Tappa's lawyers can find a loophole in the contract, then they have some money to collect. But until that is resolved, me say the war now over. Yes. No, it's not over. The war between the JFF and Whitmore is not over. No. They fire the big coach and now he want more money. Turn over. Yeah. Yeah.